guys, what's up? Abhi, I recently bought this DJI Action 2 from Amazon, and I got it on a good price. Actually, this camera is already on discount. I think it's a discount from a long time, and this is a good enough camera if you're starting motovlogging or any kind of vlogging that requires some action. So this is good enough. Currently, what I'm doing, I've brought the silicon case and the tempered glass for these, because which is like, this is whole glass and even the screen in the back is glass, so this is very prone to damage. Even on my very first day when I was trying, I dropped this power module and it got dented from here in just a very single drop. So yeah, definitely it's not very, you can say it's sturdy enough because it's metal built, but it will not held up against drops. So a silicon case and a tempered glass will definitely help. So yeah, I'll apply it and then we'll check. So this is the tempered glass, and I'm using the soft you can say soft base, just so that it doesn't damage the glass or scratches anything. This is the tempered glass I ordered for this from Amazon. It's very small. So we have this very small cloth, and we have two wipes. One is wet and then one is dry. That is really good actually. And then I think we have the tempered glass. So this is for the lens. This is not tempered glass. What is it? Yeah, this is glass only. This is a very thin glass actually. So this is for the lens, and this is for the display of the camera. And I think these two are same size. So one is for display of the camera and the other is for display of the camera module. But I do not have the camera module as of now with me. I only have the power module. But if you have a camera module, this is for that. No, let us try the back glass first, then we'll have a better idea before going for the lens, right? So let's try this one. I don't like why it has only one single wipe, because we have three screens if you have the camera module, but yeah, it's okay. We'll try to go without that wipe. And it's already pretty clean, so I don't think we need anything else. Let's do it. So I'll remove this one. And I'll just put it like this. It got applied very quickly, I think. Yeah, there was no issue. And I don't see any bubble also. So this looks okay. Oh, I accidentally turned it on. Sorry about that. So yeah, it was not very difficult actually. You just have to peel the back glass and you just have to put it against the screen, and it sticks very easily. Now we'll remove this front glass. Ooh, not bad, man. This looks good enough, but I see two bubbles here. So I think I missed the alignment a little bit. I did it a little more to the left than in center. Yeah, but it's okay. It's just the screen, so it doesn't matter. I just hope this doesn't come off. No, it looks fine. Okay. And now if you turn it on, you can see, right? I'm sorry about that because it has a zipper in front, but yeah, the screen looks fine. Now we'll do it for the lens. Here is the lens lens card. This is the technically it's a tempered glass. It doesn't look like it looks like a screen protector, but yeah, it's the hardness is like a tempered glass. So I'll just remove this. Strange. It's peeling the tempered right off also. Why is that, man? That's not good. Oh, I think we had a problem here on the left side. That is not okay. I think this got messed up pretty bad. I'll fix it. So, using some transparent tape, I somehow have fixed this. But if you see closely, you'll see a single grain, a single piece of dirt here that I was not able to take out. Man, it was very difficult. I tried a lot, but I was not able to take it out. But yeah, so somehow I've just flushed this against the lens. But yeah, it's not recommended. But I was not able to do anything, so this is right for now. It is fine. Also, it's at the corner of the lens, so I don't think it will affect anything. So yeah, it's fine. Now this is looking okay. The back glass is fine. Front glass is also okay. I've tried recording it, but I'll just do a full test tomorrow morning. Right now it looks fine. And this is our camera module. This is our power module. And I'll just attach these two. No, I think so. I have this extra tempered glass left, which was supposed to be for the power. The camera module. But right now I do not have the camera module, so this is an extra. I might use it later for the same screen, but now it's fine. So I'll just put it away. Now I also bought this silicone case, right? So let's unbox this. Okay. This is okay. This is the case, and this case is for the camera module. That's why you see a cutout here, which was not do anything actually. But yeah, this is fine. In case if you have a camera module, this will go fine for this power module as well. So let's try to fit this one. So I'll just slide this in, right? And oh, sorry about that. I put it backward. It will go this way. Now you see this is fine. We have a cutout for the screen. We have a little more room here at the back, probably because camera module has a little bulge here. But yeah, this is okay. This is an okay fit. Nothing. It's not very snug. You can see we have some space here, but this is fine. Now, if we try it with the attachments, so if I just bring it over. Sorry about that, guys. So actually, my iPhone ran out of power. My video got stopped in between. So yeah, we were talking about the attachments, right? So this is, sorry about the weird camera angle. I do not have any stand for my iPad, so I'm using this one. Sorry about that. So this is the mount attachment. So if you just put it here, it gets attached automatically with using this. So this is the mount attachment. You can see it gets hold on using the clamps. So we have extra space for clamp for this case, and you can just put it like this, pull it like this. It's actually very strong, so that it can stay safe. But yeah, this comes right off. Now second, we have a lanyard one to hang it around your neck or anywhere else. So if you generally it's used like this, like you put the neck band around inside the cloth, and then you put the magnet here so that the outside detachment sticks to the magnet. Now your camera will attach here like this. So now you can see, right, this is also looking fine with this. So yeah, you can see. So yeah, this looks fine. I am okay with this, and I think I'll be using this camera, and then I'll be giving you more reviews about this. Right? I'll share one more video capturing all the features of the camera, Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye.